Hey guys, welcome back. Congratulations on finishing that previous section. You're pretty much good to go with the program. What I'm going to teach you now is just a few extra features to Microsoft Outlook. Now, this one is called the signature. All right, so let me show you what that is. When you send a new email, so we click on that new email button, top left corner, you're going to get this. All right, now what this is a signature, which means every time you send an email, it's going to send who you are, what company you're from, your role, your contact information, and any extra information. It's sort of like a header and footer on a document, so that when people are reading the email and they need to contact you, it's always on the bottom of the email. So I'll show you guys how to do that. Let's first get rid of this one. And what you want to select is this signature button. So we click on that and we click on signatures. This window is going to come up, and all you want to do is press this new button over here, and then, you want to write your signature down here. And you can use all these properties, so you can change the font type, you can change the size, you can put bold, italic, underline, justifications, and so on. All right, what I like to do is I put my name on the top, my role, the department I'm from, my company, email address, mobile number, phone number, fax number, etc., etc. When you're happy with that, all you do is you press OK. You get rid of this. And now if we close this and we start a new email, it's going to be there on the bottom. All right. Now, in some cases, it may not appear depending on if you're doing a reply or all, or sometimes you get a bug in the system. Okay. So what I'm going to show you is how to manually insert it. Again, you want to click on that signature button up here, and you just click on the one that you want to use, like so, and that'll manually place your signature. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon.